Okay, I got one of the greatest inventions ever, as far as food's concerned. Take a Krispy Kreme donut, you put butter on it, and then stick it in the microwave. Watch this. I'm watering. My mouth is watering right now. Watch this. Smell that? Oh. Grab a fork. Okay, now this is really addicting. It's almost as addicting, well, it even could be even more addicting than taking Dorito flavor, flavored Dorito chips and dipping it straight into sour cream. I'll leave it to you to decide whether you want to try it or not.